At the hotel. Requesting extra towels.
Hi.
Hello, how can I help you?
I need a couple of extra towels.
Sure, for your room?
Yes, room 405.
Got it. Would you like bath towels or hand towels?
2 bath towels, please.
No problem. We'll send them up right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there a charge for extra towels?
No, it's complimentary.
Great.
Anything else I can help with?
That's all. Thanks again.